What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. If you're new to the channel, this is our 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. This is our family SUV. As you guys can see, we have two kids, so we have car seats in the back, and we also have a little doggy. If you're new and you're not following me on Instagram, I'll link up my Instagram somewhere over here. Give me a follow. So this car gets a lot of wear and tear, gets a lot of abuse for the family. And this seat that I'm sitting on right here is the captain's seat. My dog sits shotgun all the time. This is her favorite place in the car. So every time I go anywhere, my doggy's right here. And also, if we're going through fast food restaurants and wifey's picking up something to go to for the family, there's always something sitting right here. And you know what? You get stains through time, different types of food stains, odors, and different types of things accumulate on the seat. So what we're going to be trying to do is a little before and after. It's a product review on a product that I actually never used, an upholstery cleaner. We're going to be doing the ARMORALL, I don't know if I can focus right here, ARMORALL FRESHFX carpet upholstery cleaner. So this apparently supposed to work well. It comes with a brush. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the brush and how to do it. I'm going to tape up the seat to show you guys a left side to the right side comparison on how this seat should look after it's done. This is going to be an honest review, guys. If it's good, I'll tell you guys this product is awesome. The product actually costs, I'm going to show you guys right now. Let me grab the receipt. I picked it up at my local Pep Boys with California sales tax, $7.65, and you don't have to buy any type of brush. So microfiber towel is needed. It comes with this. I'll show you how to remove it right now. Look, you just pull up and twist. There you go, guys. And it removes like that. I'm gonna use the tape to tape up the seat, and gloves. If you guys want to use gloves, use gloves. If not, then you could just use your hands and give yourself a wash. So obviously, first things first, you have to vacuum your seats. Give it a good vacuum, clean out the seat, and then we're gonna bang it out. All right, guys, so first things first, I focus the camera up on the seat. I'm gonna put on my gloves, and then we're gonna start taping up the blue tape right here, which I have. And I'm gonna divide it right in the middle down the seat to do the left side and show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully get a good lighting over here for you guys and not a lot of road noise. So let's get the blue tape going. Tape this up. As you guys can see, the seat is not in good condition. So let me go like this. Alright, so we taped up the seat. We're gonna aim for this whole side right now. So shake up the can. After you spray it, got the microfiber towel right here. After I spray it, whoa, whoa, like so. Let it penetrate. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the cap like I showed you guys, like this. Twist it. I'm gonna remove the cap, and while it's penetrating, I'm gonna start. Then I'm going to take the microfiber towel and wipe it.
A few moments later.
Alright, guys, so now we're going to take off the tape. So the tape is off, and as you guys can see, the tape line right there. Look how clean it is to the right side compared to the left side. I think I'm gonna have to probably attack this one more time, but look at that. If you look right here, you can see the stain right there, and look at this. Looks 100 times better. If I go far out, you guys can notice that the right side of the seat looks much better than what it was. So when I initially showed you guys, I showed you guys one side. So what I just did is I removed the tape and I banged out the whole left side as well, and the top portion of the seat. Now just take a look at this. As you guys can notice, look at that. Looks 100 times better than what it did before, and it's hard to kind of give you guys a before and after. You guys saw that stripe. So I attacked this side one time, and then when I took out the tape, I did this one time as well. I think this probably needs one more time around, but just look at this. Look how clean this looks. And then look at that seat right there. As you guys can see, stains. And look at that. 100 times better, right? It's still a little bit wet, a little bit moist, but it's gonna dry up and it's gonna look great. So if you're looking for a product, I do highly recommend this because I think, like I said, $7.50 with the brush included is a great price. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you all on the next video. Peace.